Alif, ba, ta, tha, learning letters, tra-la-la. Jim, ha, ha, today, come and sing and laugh and play. Dal, dhal, ra, zai, Arabic letters every day. Seen, sheen, sad, dha, too, so much fun for me and you. Ta, za, ain, ghain, read them once and sing again. Fa, quaf, kaf we say, clap your hands along the way. Lam, mim, noon, wow, little stars shining far. Ha, hamza, and finally ya, mashallah, now here we are. Alifbaata ya. Learning Arabic is fun. Read and sing